Hi everyone, today I am talking about programmable logic controllers. These are the digital heart of modern industrial automation and my name is Adheeksha Rajapaksha and let's get started. Let's talk about what is a PLC. Uh, think of a PLC as an industrial computer that acts as the brain of the machine. It takes in information from sensors, those are inputs, make decisions based on a program, are the logic, and tells the hardware what to perform is the output. Basic components of a PLC, which is hardware, consist 5 main parts. The CPU, it is the brain, and the input module to receive signals, the output module to send commands as a power supply and the programming device. It's like a laptop to write codes. Now I'm talking about how a PLC works, which is about the scan cycle of PLC. PLCs works in a constant loop called scan cycle. It repeats hundreds of times per second in 3 steps. First, it checks the sensors in the input scan. Second, it runs the logic scan to process rules. And third, it updates the hardware in the output scan. Now let's talk about PLC versus microcontroller and PCs. Now, why we use a PLC instead of a microcontroller like Arduino or a standard PC? While they all process data, the PLC is specially designed for high power industrial electrical signals and can handle hundreds of inputs and outputs at once without crashing. Types of a PLC input and outputs, which are signals, comes in two forms like digital and analog. Digital is a simple on-off push button, like push button, on-off button, and analog is for variable informations like temperature readings that goes from 0 to 100 Celsius or a pressure sensor. Now I'm going to talk about ladder logic. We program them using ladder logic. It looks like a ladder with rungs. It was designed this way so that electricians could understand it easily, as it looks like just like old electrical blueprints they were already used to. About networking and connectivity, think of networking as the factory's nervous system. It lets the PLC talk to other machines using protocols like Ethernet or Modbus and displays that information to humans through SCADA or HMI screens. Now let's do a comparison between PLC and your own laptop. Compared to a laptop, a PLC is built for hot and dusty factory floor, while a laptop might lag or crash. A PLC is designed for reliability, running for years without stopping and providing real-time instant response. Let's talk about real-world examples right now. You see these examples everywhere. In manufacturing, they run car assembly lines. In daily life, they control traffic lights, manage elevators, and even sometimes the soap and brushes, like working at a car wash. About benefits, the main benefits are safety. It can stopping machines if a human gets too close to it. The efficiency is it runs 24/7, and the data, it can let the managers to know exactly how much work was done today. Finally, I am going to talk about future of PLC. The future is the industry, which is PLC are now connecting to the internet via IIoT, allowing all remote work and using artificial intelligence to predict when a machine might break before actually it happens. So, and this is all my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention.